I be the baddie beat, Barbie team, banging body beat, everybody beat, on my D, yo, I gotta be, in reality, suck a D, if you doubted me. Hey everyone, so today we're making smoked jerk salmon, mac and cheese, and cabbage. So the first thing you want to do is take your elbow pasta noodles and pour them into a deep boiling pot. This is the same pot we're going to use later. After they're done boiling, you want to turn your kitchen sink on cold water, pour the noodles into your strainer, and rinse them out really good with the cold water. The cold water is going to stop the noodles from cooking while they're sitting and getting overcooked. Next thing you want to do is take your salmon. This is some jerk spice rub that I bought when I was in Jamaica. I actually bought it in the airport in Jamaica. It's kind of really thick. You can see the grains and see all the seasonings that they put into it. So you want to season your salmon steaks with that on both sides and rub it in really good. This is what's going to give you that really good jerk flavor that you need. This is what your salmon steak should look like after you got them well seasoned and all rubbed in. Next thing you want to do is set that aside so it can marinate. You're going to go outside and grab your smoking chips. These are some smoking chips that I got from H-E-B, and turn on your smoker. Now, time to season the noodles. I got some seasoned salt. I'm going to go ahead and throw that on the noodles. You want to get a really good coat of the seasoned salt on there. It's very important to season your noodles. Next thing, I'm going to grab some black pepper. What's noodles or any kind of pasta without black pepper? I don't know about you. I love black pepper, so I'm going to put that on there just as much as the seasoning salt. Next thing I'm going to grab is some sea salt. You don't want too much salt because it is mac and cheese. And just put a little bit of that in there just to give it a little bit more flavor. I also add some garlic powder because I'm one of those people that feel like garlic powder goes on everything. You're going to stir that up really good. Your noodles should look very well seasoned and delicious. And then we're going to put those to the side. Next, you want to take back out that same deep boiling pan, turn it on low. I have an electric stove, so it's on number 3. You're going to add 4 half sticks of Land O'Lakes unsalted butter. I'm going to add 2 blocks of Tillamook sharp cheddar cheese. I have them pre-cut out in some nice sized cubes. And then after that, I'm going to add some more Tillamook thick cut sharp cheddar cheese. I always use Tillamook whenever I'm making cheesy dishes. Cheesy dishes because it is family grown and it doesn't have that powder taste. This is what your pot should look like about halfway through. It's melting down. You have to constantly stir it. This is what your cheese should look like once it's fully melted down. Really good. It should be really thick and just delicious. It's okay if you have some extra cheese chunks in there because it's going to melt into your mac and cheese really good. I'm going to add some Ragu double cheddar cheese in there just to kind of thin it up. I always like to add the Ragu. It gives it more of a nacho-y taste. Look at that. Now that that's all mixed up, it's time to add it to the noodles. You're going to pour that. Oh my God, that looks so good. You're going to pour about half of it in to start and then mix that into the noodles really well while it's hot. This is what your noodles should look like once they're all mixed in really, really well. You're going to go ahead and put that in the oven on 365. These are the noodles halfway done. They look amazing. I'm just checking how it's going. I've already taken out my wok and put it on medium. Now I'm going to add 2 half sticks of Land O'Lakes unsalted butter. Next, I'm going to add my cabbage. I've already chopped it up. I don't like when my cabbage is shredded really finely. I kind of like it to be a little bit chunky. Now I'm going to add some lemon pepper. Everybody makes their cabbage differently. I make mine with lemon pepper. I think it gives it the perfect amount of seasoning and bite just in one take. I also add a little bit of black pepper because, again, I love black pepper. Like, I genuinely love black pepper. So this is what the cabbage should look like. You're just going to go ahead and mix it all in really good and let it start to cook down. Again, your wok should be on medium. Around this time, your mac and cheese should be finished. So I went ahead and took that out of the oven. This is what it looks like, and I mean, come on now. Now that that's done, I'm going to go outside and check on my salmon and see how it's smoking. And it was smoking amazing. It smelled so good just sitting out there. At this point, it had been outside for about an hour now, smoking on low. And let me tell you, this may not look like much, but if you ever had smoked salmon, baby, this is what you need. Now that I'm back inside, my cabbage is cooked down fully. This is what it looks like. It smells amazing. As you can see, it's hot. I really wish my phone had smell-o-vision. But this is the cabbage and everything's done cooking. I'm going to go ahead and plate it, and this is the finished product. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please click the link to subscribe for more videos.